Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Whatever the issue might be, you will need to call a professional appliance repair technician to identify the exact problem and take care of it accordingly. Your dryer runs but it doesn't heat up. If your dryer still runs but it is not heating up, the likely culprit could be a broken thermal fuse. 21 December 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
This is the most common cause of a dryer not heating. To check if your venting is clogged, start a timed dry on high heat. Go to the exhaust vent outside and use your hand to verify that the air is very warm and exiting at a decent flow. If there's little airflow, your venting likely needs to be cleaned or replaced.
Let's help you make your mark.
With electrically heated dryers, the most common problems are a defective thermostat or an open heating element. In some cases, the high-limit thermostat is a thermal fuse. If this thermal fuse has burned open, the dryer blows cold air. Thermal fuses do not reset, and need to be replaced.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Most dryers typically last somewhere between 10 to 13 years, according to Consumer Reports. If your dryer is approaching the 10-year mark, it may be a good idea to consider replacing it even if you haven't experienced any major performance issues yet.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.